Okay, we are going to graph 5x minus 4y equals 20 by solving for y first. So what we're going to do is we need to solve for y, so I'm going to rewrite the equation. And then I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides to get y alone. Solving for y means to get y alone. It does not mean to find the intercept, so I'm not going to plug in 0 for x or y. I'm just going to move y on the other side, and we cannot combine the 5x and the 20, so I'll just rewrite those because they're not like terms. And then I'm going to divide both sides by -4. If I divide both sides by -4, I'm going to distribute the -4 into both terms on the right hand side to give -5 over -4, which is 5 over 4x, plus 20 over -4, which is the same thing as saying 5/4 x minus 5. Now what I'm going to do is, so now I solve for y first. Now I'd like to graph this. To graph, we are going to make a table. And the table I'm going to do is right here. And I would like to plug 3 random points for x and find y. I noticed that my coefficient in front of my x is a fraction, and I'm going to avoid the fraction by plugging in 0, maybe 4, and 8, because we're going to end up dividing by 4, and they will cancel. 4 and 8 are both multiples of 4, so they will cancel when I plug that in. So plugging in x is 0, I can clearly see that we would have a 5/4 times 0 minus 5, or a -5. Plugging in 4, I would have 5/4 times 4. You could see the 4's cancel. You would get 5 minus 5, which is 0. Plugging in an 8, what would we get? We're going to have to do it over here. 5/4 times 8 minus 5, which the 8's would cancel, would give us a 2, which is 10 minus 5, which is a 5. So the 3 points that I'm going to plot are 0, -5. So here's 0, -5, 4, 0, 4, 0, and 8, 5, 8, 5. And I'm going to draw a line between those 3 points, and that graphs the equation. Hopefully that helps. Good luck.